Yes, my people, you don't know it's all about farming. You have to plant something, don't it? Alright, here we are going on now. See the little place there? Yeah? Now park up the little place there to plant some sweet potato. Yeah? You have a fridge. Now throw some dirt inside there and pack it and set the dirt and put it in the black dirt to plant some Irish potato. So today, it's all about sweet potato and Irish potato, my people. Stick and stay because I'm on the park. Alright? It's all about the on the farm. We get some little rain, so might as well put in the little thing them. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So I just want a little area where I can plant some sweet potato. I have the slip cut from when put to quail, but trust me, there's a lot of sprout, there's a lot of roots coming out. It is time. It is time. Stick and stay, family.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yeah, man, this little area just need to put two little piece of sweet potato slip here, yeah, and so that I can harvest. Yeah, sweet potato. You don't know, it's all about Jamaican sweet potato pudding, yeah. And then after, I'm gonna look about this fridge, fix up the dirt inside of it to plant some Irish potato. All right. This soil want to break away my corn. Yeah, want to break away my corn, so I have to catch it. Alright. Yes, my viewers, you don't know we have to plant something. So here I'm gonna put some black dirt and some of the black soil from the factory here also. So when you're inside the farm, people, and your fark get crowded, yeah, you have to do something like this. Get it clean, yeah. You get off all those things off it. All right, family, stick and stay. All right, 2 bags of dirt on this little spot. Don't need more than that. So after I spread out this dirt, I'm gonna sprinkle it with some sawdust, some goat doodle, some fowl doodle. Then I'm gonna spread it, and then I'm gonna make some rows to plant the sweet potato. Alright, my people, we will see what's coming next. So yes, my viewers, the sawdust is the thing gonna hold the water into the soil, you know what I mean? This when we get a little dew rain, yeah, like when the rain dew little, we don't have much water. So the sawdust will keep that little water into the soil to keep the soil, you know, damp and nice. See? So yes, my people, don't know have everything into the soil right now, yeah. So it's all about time to make some rows where some banks to plant the sweet potato on, yeah. Yeah, as you can see, everything is inside here. Everything in the mixture. Yeah. So it's now time for me. It's time now to make the banks, the row. Yeah. The rows to plant the sweet potato. Stick and stay. It's time to get my hoe. Yeah, this is my hoe. Alright, a hoe. Yeah. See? Yes, me people. They are upon the gravel. Yeah, man. See there. The farm grew up nice. These color transplant them about 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Some over here transplant same time. No, I mean looking good. I have a root of pumpkin over here. The root is right here, and trust me, I cherish this pumpkin. It start to run, as you can see. It start to run, as you can see. So just give it a little more time, and then it's time for budding. Yeah, to tell it is time to blossom. And once it start to blossom, it is time to bear. Also, here is my apple banana. Need to throw some more soil around the root and some more ashes around the root. When you plant banana, the only thing can keep it ashes. Before you plant the banana, you put it down to stale. Before you plant the banana sucker, you put it down to stale. And you take some ashes and you put it around the bottom of it. Yeah. When you dig a hole to plant it, you throw some whole of ground, some stick inside here, light a fire, burn a fire inside the hole, and then after it cool off and everything, the other day you can plant your banana inside here. It's the only thing that keep the banana firm, or else your banana plant is gonna start to grow up nicely and then wither away. I'm gonna show you a banana plant here. Look at this one here. You notice what's going on with the root? You notice how big the chunk is? Yeah. Ashes. Yeah, man, ashes. The planting is the same thing. I have a next one here, is the same thing. Yeah, and then plant under shade. And as you can see, looking good. Yeah. As you can see over here, there's a lot of ground stick. Lot of stick. There's a lot of hacky seed drop here. Hacky drop here. The seeds start to grow, so I have to cut them off. Leave them to dry down before I can pull them out from the root. But as you can see, I plant some corn through it same as usual. Yeah, you can plant anywhere, my people. Tell you, man, we plant anywhere. The sun is up on the plants them right now, and as you can see, they're still looking lovely. It's been yesterday I watered them. I don't water them today because you can't give plant water like every day. Alright, this section here is my scallion, my onion, my thyme, my garlic, and my ginger. Yeah, I don't plant the tomatoes yet, but this is Syrian piece of Syrian mesh to keep the heat off all those things. Yeah, because the sun is very hot on them, you know what I mean, in the daytime. So I put a piece of Syrian mesh here, yeah, to keep them alive. As you can see over here, these are the garlic. Yeah, as you can see, they catch very fast, you know. Yeah. So yes, my people, they up on the plantation. We have to plant something, my people. So right about now, we don't know, it's all about the Jamaican potato pudding. So me have to plant some potato, my people. So you don't know. Line up myself, get some potato into the ground here. So it's time for rowing. See? Alright. So yes, my people, it's all about. I put in 3 rows. I'll show you in a bit. Put in three rows, yeah, because I don't want much. I just want a little area of sweet potato. And you don't know when you plant sweet potato, it's spread. So you see when it's ready to explore, each time the bud is out, I'm gonna put it back in. You know what I mean? So it keep one place. So yes, my people, it's all about farming. You need to plant something. Yeah man, you plant something, man. Yeah, you can plant anything, alright? Yes, only 3 rows, you know what I mean? Yeah, only 3 rows. So it's time to get to my slips now to show you what's going on with my potato slip if I can find them. So I'm gonna search now for it. Yeah, help me search, my people, because I have some cut and I have some don't cut. I have some cut. Oh, I see piece. This is piece here. All right. Yeah. But I have some cut pieces. I have long before that piece. I don't know if I can. Oh, wow! I find them, but look like them spoil. Look like them spoil, my people. Oh God. Seems like them spoil, my people. Still going to plant them. Still going to plant them. Some of them is spoiled, but still going to plant them. This piece now, yeah, I'm gonna cut it. Cut it in pieces, yeah, to plant. Alright, family, stick and stay. Jamaican farmers out here. So yeah man, you have to get off all these old sprout leaves off this green vine here, because it's the vine you need, and the vine can only plant in one direction. You understand? Turn it upside down, it might not catch. But if you put it in the soil the right way, this part here look dying. So let I get that part off. Alright. As you can see, the sprout is going that way, so that means you're going to plant this end down. Alright. Alright, so I have one. You don't exactly have to measure it, but you just estimate and cut, because you just want to cut. You just want to cut and put it into the soil. You know what I mean? Yeah. So when I'm cutting, I'm putting them down in one direction. That means I don't make any mistake. I don't have to search again to find which part to plant, which end to go into the soil. People. Yeah man. By 2 months time, you check this potato, you can't believe. And this potato is 3 months. It's gonna be ready. In 3 months time from now, it's gonna be ready. Alright, my people. So you see how quick you plant some potato now, and by 3 months you can harvest. Yeah. As you can see, there's a purple sprout here. So it tells that it is the purple skin potato. Alright. So yes, I have 4, 6, 8, 9 piece of vine here to plant in here. Oh whoa, this one is died. That one died. He passed away. He passed away some time ago. Some time ago he passed away. Alright, look at me, people. You see the root? Yeah, it sprouts some root. It is ready to plant. Yep. So this is why you have to put it down to stale. Alright, my people. Like this one now, cut it off here, because up the top almost spoiling. Cut it off, yeah. Try plant it same here, it will catch. Yeah, you just mix them with the rest. This one look like it gone. Oh wow, these two gone. Alright. A little sprout was here. It kinda get weak after a time, but try plant it here, my people. Don't try nothing down if you plant something. Yeah? In the meanwhile, I have some editing going on inside there. Yeah? I have a video rendering at this time to go on my next channel. Yeah? Laugh and Relationship TV. You can check it out. Yeah? To laugh all your worries away. See? Right, it is time to plant. So just gonna use the machete, sink a hole, put in one inside here. Yeah, one cocoa full basket. If you don't plant, nothing will grow. See, if something grow, you have to plant it. Stick and stay. Altia, pick up yourself. Me know you always a plant. No pumpkin already yet. Alright, me soon talk to you. See, watch what I go on, you know, my people. So yes, my people, plant out the few little piece of potato slips, as you can see. Yeah. So by next week, you will see some more sprout out because some more root is gonna be out on them. All right. So don't forget this little patch here. This little patch here is gonna be wide. They're gonna spread. So I have to make sure keep them in anchor. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, my camera is telling me that the heat is too hot because I have it in the sun. You know what I mean? Yeah, the temperature is very high on it. So yeah, so in my garden you can find knife, you can find a hoe, you can find a machete, more than one. You can also find a fork, and there's a picker is inside the shed, because when it comes to farming, you don't know, and there's a lot of seeds. There's a lot of seed to plant. I'd never said balls. Balls different from seed. You understand? Alright. So yes, my people. This corn here look like it's a fall and I want to mold. Although I mold it, but the breeze still have it. Yeah, so. Yeah man, yes my people. So by a couple days, yeah, potato go spring up and green up the place. Yeah, start to bear. So I have this fridge. I'm gonna do it in the next video. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some branches into the bottom of it. Throw some ordinary dirt from here into the bottom of it, and then I throw the black dirt, the black side, to plant my Irish potato. It is very easy to plant Irish potato. You go to the market and you buy the smallest Irish potato you see, and you carry it come home and you put it inside the kitchen on the counter. Leave it there. Or you get a little dish, put a little bit of water into it, put it inside there. There's many ways. Or you get some soil into a pan and put it halfway into the soil and leave it for a while, and it spring a whole heap of sprout. So you're gonna cut off those sprout and plant it. Yeah, very easy and simple. There's a lot of slip you get from that. All right. So my people, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. If you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. I'm gonna be out for now. Altia, big up yourself here. Yard food. So it go man. Big up on yourself. Seeing the bud files. Yeah.